Welcome and a very good morning, everyone. Unveiling the medical pioneers, how scientists shape the future of healthcare is a topic we have come across. Science has helped the cancer healthcare sector because of its pervasiveness. One communicable disease with a high global prevalence is cancer. Global scientists and researchers are making groundbreaking discoveries every day that are changing the field of oncology. Together, let's explore the ways in which scientific discovery are improving healthcare via the development of medication, devices, and cancer prevention strategies.
To begin with, we are going to discuss about cancer drug development. So, how are cancer drugs discovered? The discovery of new cancer drugs can happen in different ways. So, the first way is studying the biology of cancer cells. Researchers can find different ways to treat cancer by studying the biology of cancer cells. Most cancer researchers start by comparing the genes found in DNA and the growth patterns of cancer cells to healthy cells. By knowing how cancer cells grow, researchers can try find drugs to stop that process. They can also make drugs that can target specific genes found in the cancer. The second way is creating drugs that are similar to existing drugs called biosimilars. Biologic drugs are drugs that are made from living things like cells, tissue, or proteins. Biosimilars are drugs that are almost the same as an existing biologic drug that had already been approved by the FDA. The sponsor of a biosimilars must show that it's just as safe as the original drugs called the reference drugs.
Furthermore, we are going to discuss about how a new cancer drug being tested. There are two types. Firstly, during preclinical research, the drug is being tested on human tumor cells in the lab. Next, it is tested in animals to find out if it is effective at treating cancer. This helps them learn how the body uses the new drug. Moreover, during clinical research, the sponsor must submit the results from the preclinical studies done in the lab. Clinical trials are used to find out if a new drug is safe. In addition, it must go through 3 phases to get FDA approval. Early phases of clinical trials focus on the drug safety, its dosing, and how the body processes the drug. Later phases study how well the drug works. Each phase involves a large number of people than the phase before it. It eventually involves hundreds or thousands of people.
Medical devices have important uses in detecting the presence of cancer cells and treating cancer. In this review, we address development in medical devices to shed more light on cancer diagnosis and open up new opportunities for efficient cancer care. There are several cancer diagnosis modalities such as positron emission tomography (PET) and computed tomography (CT). Let's focus on these two medical devices.
The most widely used imaging method for the diagnosis of cancer is PET. Various types of PET imaging have been developed since its discovery. The FDG PET has shown accurate staging of non-small cell lung cancers, functional details of patients with non-operative head and neck cancer, after chemotherapy and radiation therapy, and breast cancer screening, which can find 1 mm tumors. Nevertheless, care must be taken when interpreting the result of an FDG PET scan because extraneous tissue may also have significant FDG uptake that cover up the picture. With the help of the scientists, new therapies are being developed that could potentially have greater sensitivity and specificity. Patients may receive the best diagnostic accuracy when specialized treatments matched to their situation are used to reduce background signal and produce a clear and higher quality image.
Is another method of imaging that can be used to diagnose cancer. The clinical efficiency of CT-based tumor imaging has been advanced by a number of instrumentation innovations developed by scientists, including low kilowatt, dual energy, scan speed, and reduced radiation dose. To give accurate analytical localization of the lesion shown by PET, the CT scan is frequently used in conjunction with the PET scan. While the CT scan produces an image with a high spatial resolution that highlights the tumor structure and morphological features, the PET scan depends on the biochemical process occurring within the cell to produce an image with low spatial resolution.
In conclusion, with these two medical devices, PET and CT scan, we can know the stage of cancer that has patient and doctor to choose the best treatment. It also helps the doctor predict the chance of recovery.
Now, let's move to some ways to prevent cancer. First and foremost, to get the screening test if our body is showing some symptoms as soon as possible. This is the most important thing to prevent the cancer cells before they spread to all of our body parts. If you have a family history of cancer, you may need to get the test at a younger age. These are the guidelines and it may be vary. Remember, get some advices from your healthcare provider about this screening test. Now, the other way to prevent cancer is to practice a healthy lifestyle. Nowadays, there are many ways to keep our body to stay healthy. For instance, exercise regularly, avoid smoking or eat cigarettes, and eat a healthy diet. However, these ways are the only prevention steps, and at least they can lower the risk of until 13 different cancers. Remember, keep trying to start from now, one day or day one.
In conclusion, there's no limit to what we can achieve with a dedication to science and research. Thanks to a bright future for cancer treatment, technology and the advances in cancer treatment, there is great potential for more researchers to find a cure for cancer. Thank you.